Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we'll be learning about the letter H. Our special H words are hat, hand, home, honey, and hotel. Our special guests are dove and penguin. The letters written in red are H's. The big one is an uppercase H, and the small one is a lowercase h. It makes the sound H. H comes at the beginning of the word hat. People wear hats to protect their head from the sun or to keep warm in the winter. Hat. This is a hand. Hands are found at the end of arms. Say it with me. Hand. This is a home. The H sound comes at the beginning of the word, and your mouth forms a round shape when you say the word. Home. This is honey. Honey is a delicious food that's made by bees. Honey. And this is a hotel. Hotels are where people stay when they travel from place to place. Now, let's try to find the odd one out. We have hat, dove, hand, home, honey, and hotel. Which word do you think does not fit with the others? That's right, the dove does not fit because it does not have a H sound at the beginning. Let's try again. We have a hat, a penguin, a hand, a home, honey, and a hotel. Which one is the odd one out? Correct! It's the penguin. Now, can you point at the hand? Great work! This is the hand. Remember the hat from earlier? Can you find the hat? Yes, this is the hat. Now, please point at the home. I'll give you a hint. It's red. Great work. This is the home. Now, can you find the honey? Exactly. This is the honey. And the last one, please point at the hotel. Great job! Repeat after me one more time. Hat, hand, home, honey, hotel. Great work, everybody. Follow along at storybee.space for more learning. See you on the next one.